Hello, and today we're going to talk about the PDF feature. The PDF feature allows you to display PDFs throughout your app. This is commonly used to showcase flyers, menus, and even reports. Just a quick note though, uploaded PDF files must be under 6 megabytes. That's really key in terms of making sure that your PDF will load properly within the application. In terms of industries that work really well for the PDFs, I would probably draw attention to schools and restaurants. And as you can tell, we're in a school demo right now. So you're going to see a classic use case for a school. But I would also recommend to use it for like musicians and DJs to show upcoming shows. I would even use the PDF feature for sponsorship opportunities in terms of like full page ads or quarter page ads. It could be a high school football game. And instead of having that, that roster pamphlet that you buy at the beginning of every game, you can make it completely digital and use the PDF feature to do so. And you split them up into sections. I think you'll see that this is a really great feature that is very multi-use. Other monetization ideas would be to include forms that users can print directly from the app and submit to a business. So accountants, doctors, in some cases, even some attorneys, if it's really general basic information, dentists for new patient forms. Those are really great ideas. And also quickly add information such as flyers, menu schedules, white papers, etc. Use it for marketing. You can use it for coupons, which I think is also cool too. I think of coupons, I think of like car washes and other places where it's like, let me download this coupon real quick, or even pizza places. It's another great idea. So in terms of how we set this feature up, really cut and dry, and it's very easy to do. So as you can see here, I've already added the feature called Camps and Classes. And what I'm going to do is I want to showcase for my school specific PDFs that I have on my website, but I want to put it into the app easily. So I'm going to go to Add PDF. And from there, I can either drag and drop my PDF, I can click the add button to search my computer, or I can type in the URL, which I think is really great. One way or another, you got to add the PDF. So I'm going to go to add, I'm going to go to my downloads, and I'm going to choose Leadership Camp first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify the title here. And then I'm going to allow printing because I want parents to be able to print this flyer should they want to. Now I'm going to create a new section title called Summer Classes. And I'm going to add really kind of nifty and cool here. So I've created a section with a subsection, which is really great. So I'm going to hit save real quick. I'm going to add another PDF. Why not? I'm going to add soccer mini camps. So now I'm going to modify my title one more time, kind of update it. Maybe I want to shorten it. Maybe I want to draw attention. Maybe there's something different. I want to allow printing. And for this one, it's Summer Sport Camps. I'm going to add. Again, I'm going to hit save. And you'll notice now that it kind of organizes everything really clearly into different subsections, which I think is really great. And I'm going to add one more PDF to show you guys here. And then I'm going to add, I think I did that one already. Yeah, let's add this one. So this is Summer Soccer Day Camp. Again, I'm going to modify my title. And I'm going to stick this under Summer Sports Camps. I'm going to allow print as well. I'm going to hit add. I'm going to press save. So now as you can see, when I preview, I have these great title sections where it says summer classes and summer sport camps. And when I hit leadership camp, it's going to fully load the PDF on my device, which is really cool. And you can see here I have the little print button. I can zoom in if I need to as a parent. I can flip through pages if there's multiple pages, etc. So with that being said, this is the PDF feature, guys. It has a great amount of opportunities for you guys to capitalize for your particular apps and for your clients. So take advantage of it and the capabilities that it has. A nice little hack, believe it or not, where it says, let's go back here and let's say we go add PDF. I can type in a URL. So if I want to go to www.google.com, let's add the HTTPS. Okay, I can actually do this with websites as well. And maybe under summer classes, I want to have a website link to all my stuff. And what you'll see is it prompts me to open up in a new tab, which is really great. So the PDF feature can be kind of used for websites and organizing that for too. So think about that for education, summer camps, summer classes, whatever it may be. There's some really great opportunities in this feature, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.